Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video we are heading back to, can you guess? We are heading back to HomeGoods because HomeGoods is the only one who knows that Halloween hunting is going on. No, there is some TJ Maxx at the end of this video. My TJ Maxx is slowly but surely putting out Halloween decor, so there will be some Halloween items from TJ Maxx towards the end of this video. If you are new here, I like to give close-ups of the products and I try to give you the prices as well. Sometimes I miss the prices and sometimes there is no price on the product, but I do try my best to do that for you guys. I also wanted to mention that if you see something in the background of the clips and I don't show it, it's probably because I already showed it in a previous video. I have like 3 or 4 of these HomeGoods walkthroughs so far. This might be my 4th one, I'm not sure. But if you are interested in seeing my previous walkthroughs, I will leave a list of links in the description box below. So I was really excited when I first saw these sitting next to the end cap, but then I got a good look at the bristles and I didn't really care much for it after that. This is $19.99. They do have some more witches brooms towards the maybe middle or end of this video. I liked those ones a lot better and they were the same price as the ones that I just showed you. I came really close to buying these witches' legs. I passed them up because there were a few other items that I wanted instead, but I think these would be a lot more durable than some of the other witches' legs that I've seen. And then they had this really cute white pumpkin with the spider web and a spider on it. Again, something I wanted to purchase, but I did kind of control myself this round. This is a tea light candle holder and it is made out of wood. They also have this skull for $16.99 with the lace print and the florals, and then this glittery butterfly. There is pieces of styrofoam stuck to this. I tried to remove as much as I could before filming it, but there was still some little particles stuck on there. Now, I have no idea if they have previously had these at HomeGoods because I have never shopped at HomeGoods for Halloween decor until I think last year. I think last year might have been my first year shopping at HomeGoods because I've never lived close enough near? I've never lived close enough to a HomeGoods to do Halloween shopping. So I don't know if those flower pots were new or if they have been there previously in years past, but I did purchase them. I did think these 2 tombstones were really cool. I'm not a big fan of the pink because it's just not my style. I could paint it. Also, the ghost on this one is just a little bit weird to me. I think it's cute, but I don't know. I don't know. He's a very unique looking ghost, I guess. I did find this fruit basket. This is another item that I purchased because I did ask you guys if you wanted to see a spooky kitchen refrigerator organization video, and a lot of you said yes, so I did purchase that. They had this wooden jack-o'-lantern for $12.99, and then they also, right next to him, have this mummy candy dish holder. And oh man, I really wish I had bought him, and I'm really hoping that the next time I go to HomeGoods he'll be there, but I have a feeling he will be gone. Oh well. And then they also had this skeleton candy dish, the zombie candy dish in the back. I have shown it in a previous video if you're wondering about him, as well as the jack-o'-lantern beside him. I've shown him previously. And then I finally found the jack-o'-lantern who's looking all dapper, and he's got his little loafers on, and it's just so cute. This isn't really my style, but I do think it is a really cool piece. So rather than showing these individually, I just kind of put the prices on the screen. The large is $14.99, medium is $12.99, and the smallest size is $9.99. They have another mummy dish, and this guy is $19.99. He's quite a bit smaller than the other one, and he is a little bit different. His wrapping is like textured, and he was sitting on top of a black glitter base. Now, I have been looking for the spooky Halloween dishware and like the shower curtains and shower hooks and everything like that, and I have not seen any of that at my HomeGoods yet. I have seen a lot of decor and then these mugs, and I've seen a few other mugs, but I'm looking like for the Tupperware and stuff, and they still haven't set it out. So I'm hoping that they will have some stuff set out this next time. All right, y'all, let's play a little game of The Price is Right. I want you to pause this video and tell me how much you think this pumpkin is right now. Do it right now. I didn't put the price on the screen for a reason. Do it. When I saw the price of this pumpkin, I was like, what? I'm sure someone will be like, oh, that's a really good brand or something like that, but sorry, just $130 for this pumpkin? I do not think so. And then back she went. Okay, in a previous video, I had someone say that they really appreciated that I took my time to show the book boxes, and I did include some more boxes in this video. However, there's just so many boxes that I don't even remember which ones I showed. So if there are book boxes that I showed in a previous video, I'm so sorry, but there's just so many that I couldn't remember what I had previously shown. And of course, if the book boxes are not something that you want to see, or if I did show something and you've already seen it or whatever, you can go ahead and skip through this part of the video. Now, along with the book boxes, I could not remember if I had shown this haunted house previously or not. I feel like I might have, or maybe it was like slightly different. I'm not sure, but again, I put it in here. If there is something that I did show, I'm really sorry, you guys, but it's just all getting like mixed in my head, and I'm like getting confused at what I have shown. These are the other brooms that I had mentioned in the beginning of this video. I liked these a lot more than the first brooms. They just look more realistic to me. More witchy realistic, I should say. I don't know. And then I also wanted to show you this because they have some with like black twine, and the color of the broom handle is a different color. And then they also had this broom with the little sign that says "The Witch is In." Again, for the same price. It is also $19.99. And I'm honestly not sure what this is supposed to be, but it is glass, it's very heavy, and it's hollow. It's like an upside down jar, honestly. And I'm not sure if this was marked properly or not because the sticker on it looked like someone kind of just like stuck it there. I don't know how to explain it, but it said that it was $12.99. I thought that this globe was really cool. It had a bunch of little miniature skeletons, not skeletons, miniature skulls stuck to the larger skull. And now we are moving on to TJ Maxx. I did show a couple of these before, but this one is slightly different. I thought he was adorable. And then they had these fabric bats for $7.99. This is a book box that I forgot to show in a previous TJ Maxx walkthrough, so I am showing it now. It's a book box that has like 3 books stacked on top of each other, and this is $12.99. And then I have shown this in a HomeGoods walkthrough, but this is TJ Maxx, so I wanted to include it. He is $12.99. They also have this matte white light up pumpkin by Martha Stewart for $9.99, and I do believe in my last HomeGoods / TJ Maxx walkthrough I showed a matte pink one. They also had these witches boots with the flowers for $19.99. I really liked the spider web and the spider detailing on here. I thought that this was really cute. And then they had this skull for $7.99 with the glittery black eye sockets. And then this is another item that I showed in a HomeGoods walkthrough, and it is $7.99. But again, this is at TJ Maxx. They have this animated doorbell for $14.99. Honestly, I kind of want this, and I'm really not huge on animatronics, but I thought this was cool. Alright, you guys, this video is coming to an end. I just wanted to do my little outro. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, subscribing, liking, commenting. I truly appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to do those things for me. And I wanted to let you guys know that I have a few more videos coming up. I do plan on doing a Big Lots video, and hopefully Bath and Body Works will be putting out their Halloween relatively soon. And I'm also going to be doing a video where I go through my Halloween decor and decide what I'm going to get rid of, because I've already bought a lot of things this year and I need to make room in my totes. So if that is something that interests you, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!